Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off sensitive content setting on Twitter or X. As of now, sensitive content, if you want to look it up if you want to look it up on your Twitter browser or even on Twitter app, you won't be able to see it. Instead, you get to see some other options. You can go ahead right here and click your avatar icon at the top left. Go ahead and move along to the settings and privacy, and then go ahead to the privacy and safety, and then you're gonna see the content that you see. So right here you could just go ahead and decide which content that you are interested in, right, to just follow along, and what's your interest, right, in terms of content. So as you can see right here, this is my content that I'm currently following. So if you are not interested in some of these content, you could just go ahead and uncheck mark this one, right, and then you're gonna be able to actually prevent Twitter from getting this kind of content. But if you want to get back to it later, you could just go ahead and go for the interest again, and then basically hit the check mark on these kind of content. So let's turn on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.